10 years ago, Costa Painting embarked on its journey with brushes, colors, and the mission to transform spaces. Founded in 2013, Costa Painting was born from the dream of providing not just painting, but transformation and quality for our clients. Each project was more than just a painting. It was a story of renewal, creativity, and satisfaction. Behind every brushstroke is a dedicated team, passionate about what they do, and committed to delivering excellence. To our customers, we thank you for trusting us to turn your spaces into true homes. We'll keep painting dreams and transforming spaces, heart by heart, color by color.